The Triumph TR7 V8 for me is one of the British rally cars. It's just iconic. Now, I wasn't old enough to see this car in action, but I grew up on a diet of these cars thanks to my dad. And, you know, I watched beta videos, VHS videos, and now I watch online videos of cars like this in action. This is the actual car, SJW 540S. The Tony Pond and Fred Gallagher won the Manx Rally, came fourth on the RAC in 1978. This is the car, and I get quite emotional stood near rally cars like this because of what they mean and what they've done. And you know what? It's incredible to see it up close and just to know what it means to the British rally story. So cool. Talking of Tony Pond, one of my absolute rally heroes, someone I am absolutely gutted that I never got the chance to meet. That car there is something really very special and something which is quite exciting to me. I'm actually quite emotional. I've wanted to see that car for some time, and it nestles here in the storage room at the British Motor Museum. It is the Metro 6L4 prototype 001. It had a cut down Rover V8 because they hadn't quite finished the actual Group B V6 that was going in the 6L4, and as you can see, the aero package differs somewhat to the finished article as well. But Tony Pond actually tested that car at Cadwell Park, and that was a bit of history that used to mesmerise me when I worked at Cadwell Park. It still does now, and just to think of what that car is and what it meant to the British Leyland Group B rally programme, which sadly was never as successful as it possibly could have been due to reasons that we're all now well aware of, is just, well, yeah, quite spectacular really, isn't it? These bits of history in rallying mean so much, and it's great that they're not gathering dust in someone's personal collection. Fans can actually come and have a look at these cars, and new generations of rally fans can have a look and just see in person the machines and the people that made this sport as amazing as it is.